Hey guys, it's Matt, welcome to SpeedTutor, and it's toward the end of April, and I've rounded up all the bundles, the free assets, all the savings that you can find from everywhere across the internet for Unity and game dev. I'm going to take you through every single thing that you can get for free or bundled up to make massive savings. So we'll start off with some free things that are great to mention. I've got my 120 free assets for this month for April, and I've got a full video showcasing that with all the assets down below in the description for that video. I'll leave a link down below. And a few of my mentions that are great to pick up, which is the Shape Clouds Fast 2D Cloud System, which is a great cloud system even for mobile to be able to create, adjust and create the look of your clouds. We've got one called the Ultimate Thumbnails. This allows you to replace the default asset thumbnails and generate them automatically with thumbnails of 3D models, of GUI, of particles or of sprites. And the last one I'll care to mention is called Audio Adjust. So this is a great way in Unity to adjust, trim and fade audio in the editor without you having to take it somewhere else to mess around. And just a little bit later in the video, I'll show you how to get hold of another 10 gigabytes of free audio sound effects and previous years of over 50 additional gigabytes. So with the free assets being said, I do have a playlist with hundreds of different months that I've done with all the assets, and you can find all the links to my asset store page, which I keep them updated every month. On the Unity Asset Store, if you're still interested, they do have their 2026 Quick Start Bundle, which is $19.99, which includes things like adventure kits, fantasy GUIs, spells, footsteps, fruit markets, fantasy medieval, asset packs, motion blur, animation packs, and so many more. And if you're interested, Unity Spring Sale is still now on with 50% off over 300 assets. You can check out the flash deals, and I'm posting them in the community post every single day so you don't miss out. We've got a few bundles on Humble Bundle. Now this is the Asset Store Mega 15 bundle, and this is 39 Asset Store tools, environments, visual effects, full projects and loads of stuff in here. And this is a collective value of over £2,000 or $2,500 to $3,000, and you can pick this up for £14 or around $20, and this makes it about 50 cents per asset. And there's some amazing ones, and I do actually have a full video showcasing all of these in here, but I wanted this more to be a little highlight on getting this because there's only a couple of days left. There is two really massive Loretta Studio bundles, one on Humble here. This does actually include all the assets for Unreal, Unity and Godot, so I'm specifically just showing you the Unity ones. This one contains 18 different Unity environments, and this Spring Sale Unity bundle for Loretta Studio on Gumroad actually has 30 different asset packs on here. We'll just look at the Humble one for now. This is around £26 or $36 for all 18, and it's a value of about $8,000 with all the different assets. And I'll run you through the ones in here. There's a Church Cathedral, Florence Cathedral, Roman Swimming Pool, the Modern Office, Western Town, Shooting Range Training Arena, Big Star Station, the Big Slum Alley, Modern Hospital, Rhino's Diner, the Restaurant Crime Scene, Board Game Room, Stylized Windmill Valley, Steampunk Clockwork Factory, the Miami Vice City, Mini Poly Series Mythic Castle, the Steampunk Victorian and the Medieval Lakeside Town. And then this big 30-pack bundle. On this I do have a code which is SP60 to get 60% off, so you can get this for $39.99. with a massive selection of environments, including the Viking Village, the Steampunk environment, Medieval Lakeside Town, Stylized Ruins, Game and Entertainment Area, Repair Shop, Asian Canals, Fighting Stage, US Capital, Abandoned Swimming Pool, Nova Space Burgers, the Modular Stylized Medieval Town, the Miniseries Racetrack, Miniseries Fantasy Kingdom, Board Game Room, Big Star Station, Tortuga Lighthouse, Post-Apocalyptic American Diner, Stylized Japanese Shrine, Stylized Halloween Village, Stylized Azure Hillside, Command Center, Souls-like Throne Room, Pirate Tavern, 1900s Office, Abandoned Industrial Factory, Stable Coffee Shop, Stylized Wizard Room, and Mystic Dungeon Environment. And I'll put a list on screen to show you the comparison between the two packs to see which assets, if any, cross over. There is the War Masters and Wasteland bundle. This is 13 assets in a sort of warfare or wasteland with vehicles and other materials, suitable for Unity, and around £27 or $35. And if you did want to get hold of that free audio that I told you about, If you navigate to the sonus.com GDC 2026, which I'll put down below, there's a free download of 7.5 gigabytes of files, which are completely royalty free. So you can use these and you can view the full track list here. You can see them all in this spreadsheet, various sounds from all their different really massive packs that they own. And if you're interested in all the previous years, they've got years from 2015 all the way up to 2024. It's up to 100 gigabytes worth of free audio that you can check out. Cinti do currently have their super sale, which is up to 70% off a lot of their packs, and each deal has different times where they'll be on offer. And you can select down and check out their 70% off super specials, whether you want their entirety of their packs or any of the other ones, which are usually cheaper than getting them in the Unity Asset Store. So you let me know what you think of this video, comment down below if you get hold of any of this. Do check out my Patreon too to get over 240 different scripts, assets and projects you cannot find anywhere else. Massive thank you to everybody who comes to watch, massive thank you to my patrons, special thank you to Joe and to everybody else. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Cheers.